The washing machine has been broken for 3 weeks. So yeah, this is how it's going. That transition was smoother in my head. Finally got it fixed today. Just slightly behind on laundry. Why, like, forever. Laundry's done, but I didn't do it. I'm not questioning it. I'm just saying thank you to whatever demon's doing chores now. Prioritizing like a professional mom. Sorry, blanket. Budget's tight. They said just one load a day and it'll never pile up. I say lies. All lies. And there it shall remain. Until further notice.